I just want to do a quick video for y'all and show you exactly what you get when you get one of these. This looks so cool. You get this shepherd's hook with it. You can see right there. I put it in the bucket like that. Hangs down, and you can actually adjust it where it's a little further hanging like that. It's a 100% solar powered. There's an on and off switch on the top right here. You can just see how it looks right there. So let me go ahead and click over tonight and show you what this looks like while it's on at night. So let's do that now. Woo. All right, check it out. It just got dark enough for these things to come on. Look how awesome this thing looks. It actually projects outside the watering pot. It comes out, and then these things just kind of like light up and sprinkle down. I've got them going like on top of the flowers, but you can kind of see how that looks when it's lit up. This thing is just one of the coolest things I've got for the little garden here, and I've got like all kinds of little lights going on. This is one of these items that I think would be great for a gift, or anyone that has a garden that just kind of wants to light it up a little bit and add some character to their garden at night. So that's all I got today, everybody, on the solar powered watering pot. See you guys in the next video. Woo!